Okay, this is the happening today. Oh, this is the front view. Front view. So I will turn around. This is front view. Okay, and this is the right side. I will turn around now. Okay, good afternoon guys. How are you?
Fine, sir.
You are fine and doing good. Okay, they are very busy. Uy. There's a changes. There is a changes. This is the right side. There's a changes now. We will go around. Oh, what are you doing, guy?
Plastering, sir.
Huh?
Plastering.
Plastering the...
Dahalo black, tumuling.
Okay, very good. That's it. Okay, you are good in English. Okay. He is plastering. Okay. Oh, this is the happening today. Then I will proceed. Thank you, ha. Thank you for answering my question. Thank you. Okay. What is that, guy? Guy, what are you doing? Oh, what? Huh? What?
Finishing.
Ah, finishing. Okay, that's it. That's good. Okay, he's finishing the right side of the building. Very active. He's doing good. He's doing good. I mean, okay, this is the back front of, this is the back of the building with matching music. Boom, what are you doing? Huh?
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, and what are you doing? You are putting, okay, that's it. You are putting clay inside the house. Or in other words, in Bisaya, nagtambak ka. Okay, para ma-label. Okay, very good. Very good, because you are very bright now to answer my question. Okay, without engineer, you are working. You're working and devoted to your work. Oh guys, how about you guys? What are you doing, guys?
Para tubig.
What are you doing there?
Kitang.
You are
tugtog.
you're digging the hole to put septic tank. Oh, that's it. Okay, this is the happening today. Oh, this is the back portion of the building house. Okay, I will proceed to the next. Okay, this is the left side of the building. The left side of the building, and the workers are very busy. Doing their works. What are you doing, guys? What are you doing? You are laughing. You're very happy. Okay, guys. How about you guys? Just answer my queries. How about you? What are you doing?
Tubig sir, tubig. Yan ang dance spout.
Okay. That's it. Okay, this portion is left side of the building. The left side of the building house.
Abot tuan. Saya.
Guys, what is this, guys? Guys, answer my query. What is this? Okay, the sand and gravel. Okay, this is the left side. Left side of the building house. Okay, the front side of the building. Thank you for watching my video.